Dakshineswar Kali Temple is a Hindu temple located on the eastern bank of the Hooghly River in a small town of North Kolkata named Dakshineswar. The beauty and charm of Dakshineswar Kali Temple is such that it is said a trip to Kolkata is incomplete without visiting this temple. Famous Sant Sri Ramakrishna Paramhansha and his wife Sharada Devi is also associated with this famous temple, which has a spiritual history too. The magnificent temple of Dakshineswar was built by Rani Rashmoni in the year of 1855. Rani Rashmoni was a believer of goddess Kali. While she planned to offer a pilgrimage to Varanasi, she dreamt that goddess Kali is asking her to build a temple near Ganges and set up a statue rather than going all the way to Varanasi. Rani Rashmoni, who was an exponentially broad-minded woman, had always wanted the temple to be open for people from all castes and religions. This tradition has still been followed till date. Sri Ramakrishna Paramhansha was the major influence behind the bringing of immense reputation and pilgrims to the temple during the next 30 years of his service towards the divine goddess Mother Kali. There are few important information you have to keep in mind if you are visiting Dakshineswar Kali Temple. This temple doesn't have any entry fee, and this temple is open all around the year in the timings morning 6 pm to 12:30 pm and 3 pm to 9 pm. Also, please make a note that photography and videography is totally prohibited in this famous temple of Kolkata. You have to submit your mobile phones outside before entering the main temple complex. And a pro tip here is Tuesdays and Saturdays are believed to be auspicious and best days for offering prayers to goddess Kali. Also, witnessing the Sandhya Arati is a must-have experience. To reach Dakshineswar, Dakshineswar has a very well connectivity of local trains both from two major stations, Shalda and Howrah. Also, you can hire a yellow taxi anytime from anywhere in Kolkata and Howrah to reach Dakshineswar. Also, these days Dakshineswar has come up with his own metro station. The architecture of Dakshineswari Kali Temple has a very typical ancient Bengali architecture called Navaratna. The courtyard of the main temple is surrounded by 12 identical mini Shiva temples standing in a row, facing east with interiors done in black and white stone finishes. It is said that 12 Shiva temples were constructed keeping 12 Jyotirlingas in mind. After finishing our offering and prayers to the auspicious Kali Temple of Dakshineswar, we decided to have a boat ride through the Ganges to reach from Dakshineswar to Belur. Situated on the west bank of the Hooghly River in North Calcutta, the Belur Mott is the headquarters of Ramakrishna Mott and Mission, a representation of universal faith. The mott celebrates all faith equally and is visited by the people from all over the world to seek spiritual fulfillment. Belur Mott was conceptualized and founded by Swami Vivekananda, who was the chief disciple of Sri Ramakrishna Paramhamsa. The mott exercises the principal ideology of selfless service of God in man. With rich history, impressive architecture, and being a place of utmost spiritual importance, Belur Mott has become the most important destination in Kolkata. Unlike Dakshineswar Temple, Belur Mott is also open all around the year, but the timings are different. This mott is open from morning 6 am to 11:30 am and in the evening from 4 pm to 8:30 pm. The mott is spread over across an area of 40 acres surrounded by beautiful gardens and palm trees. The campus includes 3 individual temples dedicated to Sri Ramakrishna Paramhamsa, Holy Mother Sri Sharada Devi and Sri Swami Vivekananda. The evening aarti or prayers at the mott is a delight to watch. People are prohibited from strolling outside the temple premises during the evening prayer. Photography, videography is also strictly prohibited in this Belur Mott and there is no entry fee for this mott. After having a wonderful visit to Dakshineswar and Belur Mott, we had a sunset watch at the bank of Ganges. If you are watching this video till now, please like, share and subscribe to our channel Lifestyle by Sudeshnas and press the bell icon to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. Thank you.